The castle was built between the years 1038 and 1045 using the old stone arches from a 7th century bridge. Situated on a high rocky outcrop, Count William of Tellu built a castle after his nephew William the Conqueror gifted the lands to him. Originally a motte and bailey with the keep circled by a stone wall and deep ditch, it became known as Arques Castle. In 1052, Count William revolted against his nephew William the Conqueror, which led to a year-long siege. The castle was taken after the count was starved out. He was shown mercy and banished from the kingdom for the rest of his life. Under the rule of Henry I of England, the castle was rebuilt. New fortifications and a Norman-style keep were built. Strong defensive buttresses and a gatehouse were added, making it the fortress we see today. During the 100 Years' War, the castle proved an impregnable fortress, only falling to the English after the Treaty of Troy in 1420. Joan of Arc was held in 1431 at the castle before being judged and burnt at the stake in Rouen. At the beginning of the 12th century, Arques Castle was the site of many battles and was frequently besieged. It was the last Norman stronghold to surrender to Philip II of France in 1204. During the French War of Religion in 1589, the Battle of Arques took place beneath the castle walls. Henry IV of France, with only 7,000 men, victoriously fought off the 30,000-strong Catholic army. The castle was renamed Arques-la-Bataille in honor of that battle.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.